Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. I would just like to show you this cool Zippo that I picked up a couple years ago from a store in Manitowoc here where I live that sadly is no longer open. It is a Blues Traveler, the band Blues Traveler, solid brass Zippo lighter, December XII, L meaning December, XII is 1996, so it's almost a 30-year-old lighter already. It was never used. Has November 1996 insert. It just makes an awesome little addition to my collection. I've always liked the band Blues Traveler ever since I was younger, much younger. And I just wanted to show that and share this with you today. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a great day.